welcome.
It's good to officially meet you. I know I've seen you in and out of the window several times, but I was told by many people who are reading our Parkway newsletters and things like that, that I should meet you, Cinthia Loredo.
Okay, so I've been here for almost a year. Actually, this was the first place that I came when I moved here to Missouri, the Welcome Center. I Parkway parent myself. So I have 2 kids, 7th and 8th grade on Southwest Middle.
What do you like most about Parkway?
As a parent, be part of the community and feel like I'm part of the community. It's so good. You know how the district is working for your kids and for their education. So it's part of, I feel proud of myself to work here. When I start here, it was just, people say like, the receptionist is just gonna answer the phone, it's just gonna greet people. But then you realize that you can do a lot of things. So you can connect people, you can inform, you can communicate. The thing that I really enjoy is just having families here.
I'm also told you have a special skill set that I wish I had, but that you speak Spanish, so that you're bilingual. And so how is that like for our Spanish-speaking families who come here and are able to get you to speak with them?
It's awesome. It's awesome just to see the change on their face, like relieving. Like when you start speaking Spanish, if I ask them, like, "Are you speaking Spanish?" They are like, "Oh wow, thank you." And I try to do it not just with the Spanish speaker, but with everybody, because we are a very diverse community.
I'm so glad that you've experienced all of that, and thank you for being here, and I appreciate you, and you are appreciated. When I asked people who should I go out and meet, your name did come up. And
that's really amazing.
Yeah, so here I am meeting you, and we have this captured, and I'll be meeting other people as well, but thank you for all that you do to be kind of the first space that so many people see when they walk into our doors. So.